I used to lose a whole day to one marketing video, writing it, filming it, editing it, and then sitting there adding captions one line at a time. It turns out I was doing the hardest part by hand for no reason. The day that I let AI handle the production, everything changed. The videos got faster, the captions got cleaner, and I stopped dreading the whole thing. And here's the crazy part. I didn't need to know how to make videos to get any of this. So that's the wall most people hit. You think you need editing skills. You don't. So in this video, I'm going to show you how VEED turns plain text into a finished social video, how it writes captions that basically come out studio accurate, and how it builds a talking presenter without you ever turning on a camera. It's free to start, and the link is in the description if you want to follow along. Hey everyone, if you're new here, I'm Jake Dawson, and I help business owners use AI without turning it into another full-time job. And look, video is the one thing every business gets told to do, and it's the thing that eats the day that you don't have. If that's you, this is the video that gives that day back. So hit the subscribe button down below if you want to see more videos like this. So guys, here's the good news. That gap between I should be making videos and I actually can has gotten really, really small. And this one tool I want to show you today handles almost all of it. So what is VEED? It's a full video studio that lives right there in your browser. Nothing to download, nothing to install. Let me show you the feature that does the most work. So here, you just hand it a script, a blog post, even a rough idea scribbled down, and it turns them into a finished video. And if you don't have a script, no problem. Give it the rough idea in a sentence or two, and it drafts one for you. And then you just tweak it till it sounds just like you. So this works if you write for a living, just as much as it works if you've never made a single video in your life. Let me show you here. Let's go over to veed.io and click on the sign up button. So once you're signed up, you'll land on the dashboard, and here you can see videos that we'll create. So click on the create button at the top and the AI playground, so we can start generating videos right there. And then paste your text into the box. Here's the part I like. You can tell it to enhance your prompt. So instead of thinking of the whole video, all the details by yourself, if you have just a rough idea and want to test things out, that matters a lot. Next, pick your format. So portrait for social and landscape for long YouTube videos. Then hit generate. And then once it's done, you can still go in and fine tune the video before you call it finished. Say that you roast coffee down the road and you're launching a promotion. Paste in one honest paragraph about it and watch it turn into a portrait video for your phone. Now, it won't read your mind, right? That's not a thing yet. But clear doesn't have to mean perfect. A couple of real sentences is plenty, and VEED does the heavy lifting from there. So that's a real chunk of your day just handed right back to you. But the feature that actually made me trust it is smaller and way more boring: subtitles. Here's the thing about a social video. A ton of people scroll with the sound completely off. So if there are no subtitles on your clip, there's no message either. And writing them by hand is one of the most boring jobs in all of video. VEED just listens to your clip and writes them for you. So let's go back to the dashboard. Here, you can use a video you've already generated or drag and drop a video from your computer. Once you've got a video here, hover over it and you'll see the 3 dots icon. So let's click on that and choose edit. Now it opens up the VEED editor, and that's where we can generate those subtitles. Now on the bottom left panel, you'll see an option called Subtitles. So click that and then hit this button to make them automatically, and give it a second. And there they are. So how good are they? MakeUseOf.com tested this back in August of 2025 and put the accuracy at 98%. They called it industry leading. And now you can make them look how you want, right? The font, the size, where they sit on the screen, those pop and highlight styles people love for socials. It's all sitting right there. And when you're done, you've got choices. So you can download the caption file as an SRT or a text file, or you can generate them straight into the video so they're baked in for good. And here's a quick tip. Generate them for social, where you don't get to control the player, and use the SRT file only if you really need it. Now, what if you don't want to be on camera at all? That's what AI avatars are for. So you pick a presenter, you type your script, and VEED builds a person who says it out loud with the lips moving in time with the words. You never once turn on a camera. Let me show you. Let's head back to the dashboard and click on Generate Talking Head Videos. So here you just paste in your script or type in the idea that you have, and then we hit generate. Now, a few moments later, we've got the first AI avatar video it generated. And if you want to change the character or create a new one, you just click the button on the right and you can see all of the available avatars here. And the part I keep coming back to is where this actually earns its keep. This generator can create explainers, FAQ answers, product updates, all of the plain presenter style stuff that you'd otherwise pay someone to film for you every single week, over and over until you're both sick of it. And you can always change the script it generated at any point from the panel right here on the left. So if you want to just tweak something, for example, it's that easy. Now, one thing to know, it looks like a digital presenter and it reads as one. That's totally fine for those videos and those jobs. But for the big emotional brand video, right, the one that's meant to feel like you, the one where people are supposed to trust the person on screen, you still want your own face there. Now, here's where it gets interesting for anyone with customers who don't all speak English. You record your video once and VEED revoices the whole thing in other languages. And it matches the mouth movements too. So let's click on voice. Here on the right panel, in this section, you can dub your video into 29 languages, and lip sync happens on its own. You got AI stock voices, or you can upload your own cloned voice. Okay, let's pick one and hit generate. Now, watch the mouth line up with the new words. I mean, that's kind of impressive, right? So if your customers aren't all in one country, this is the one. Use this feature. So getting a video professionally dubbed and translated would otherwise cost you what, hundreds? Here, it's a few clicks. It's the same video and more people who actually understand what you sell. So it's not a money-making scheme, it's just more of your customers in the loop. Now, before I show you the biggest thing that you can do with VEED, there's a set of sneaky little tools that really gets things done inside here. First, background noise removal. It kills the hum, the fan, right, the street outside your window. One click and it's all gone. There's also an eye contact correction. So if you're reading off of a script and your eyes drip down to catch the next line or something, this quietly nudges them back into the lens and nobody watching ever knows. Maybe I should use that. So here's where these two really earn their keep. If you're making those UGC style ads, you know the one, phone in hand, looking directly at the camera, these are the little fixes that people swear by. They're what make a phone recording look like you planned it instead of just winging it. Nothing actually flashy about any of them, but it is the difference between, wait, did they mean to do that? And yeah, they clearly knew what they were doing. So what does all of what I just showed you cost? There are 5 tiers. So we have free, creator, pro, studio, and enterprise. And one thing to know up front, before you look at any number, the paid plans are billed per user. So a 3-person team on Pro pays $63 a month, not $21. 3 seats, 3 times the sticker price. Now Creator is the solo plan. 1 seat, just you. And it means when you generate a video, there's no watermark added on top of it, so it's actually yours to post. And you get it in 1080p, which is plenty for socials. The subtitles are unlimited, so you can caption every single video that you make without watching the meter. You get 500 credits a month or 6,000 credits a year for the AI features, and 5 gigs of storage, which sounds like a lot until you realize one decent-sized project can eat 2 or 3 gigs on its own. So it does fill up faster than you think. Pro is where the good stuff lives. So the credits jump to 2,500 per month or 30,000 credits per year, which means you can actually lean on the AI features instead of rationing them. You get 4K export, so if you're putting things on YouTube, this is where that unlocks. Brand kits. So that means your fonts, your colors, your logo gets saved once, and every video comes out looking like your business made it, not a template. You've also got translations in 50+ languages available on this plan. And heads up, the dubbing with lip sync that we looked at earlier, that's a pro feature. Same thing with the personal avatar. So if those 2 demos are the reason that you're here, this is your tier. So don't buy Creator and then wonder where those buttons went. Now, the Studio plan is the team plan. It has 15,000 credits a month or 180,000 credits per year. Now, that's for people producing content every day, not once a week. It also has custom templates, which means your team can build a video the same way every time without anyone reinventing it. And storage just stops being a thing here. And it covers 5 different editors, so everyone works in the same place instead of emailing files around. Now, the catch that applies to all of these plans, credits are monthly or yearly allowance. They expire, so they don't roll over. Buy the tier that you'll actually use, not the one that just sounds impressive. And the thing that makes this really worth it, avatars, dubbing, captions. That's a stack of separate tools you'd normally pay for one by one, all sitting under a single login. So that's where the money you'd otherwise spend usually adds up. So which part actually stuck for me? First, the AI avatars, right? You type a script and a presenter shows up and delivers it. No camera, no retakes, no fixing your hair. So for all the plain weekly stuff you'd otherwise have to film yourself over and over, that is a real job off of your plate. Second, the captions. I know it's boring, but it's the thing that I would reach for every single day. Third, the dubbing with lip sync. So that's your reach more customers feature. Amazing. Now, the straight answer to the question in the title, is it the best AI video generator? It depends on what you need. If you want one sentence turned into a finished ad with zero work from you, no tool is fully there yet. This one included. But if you're looking to bring a message and you want the production and the captions and the presenting and the translating all handled for you, VEED does a wide range of that, and it does it in one browser tab. So who is this really for? Solopreneurs and small teams who put out video all the time and don't want to turn into editors. And for people who never made a single video in their life, it handles the parts that you'd otherwise have to go learn. Here's my honest take. If video marketing has always felt like a wall that you can't get over, VEED hands you a ladder. The captions alone will save you real hours. And the dubbing is the part that I keep coming back to, because turning one video into a bunch of languages with the lips actually matching still feels a little bit like magic every time I watch it happen. So that's VEED in one shot. Hey, if this video saved you some time, smash that like button, it really does help. And hit the subscribe button down below if you want more of these breakdowns, because I dive into tools like this every single week. And one thing I actually want to know now, what would you build first here? An avatar explainer where you never turn a camera on, or dubbing one video into multiple languages to reach more of your customers? Go ahead and drop it in the comments. I read them, guys. I appreciate your feedback. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Oh, also, follow me on TikTok and Instagram now, because now I'm posting short videos there that I normally don't post here. And honestly, well, you can see for yourself there. The links are down in the description below. Turn the notification bell on for our live shows. And before you click away, here's another video that you'll probably want to watch next. Just click on the video to my left and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. I'll see you there.